Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls. How are you today? We've got your favorite thing today. What is it? Yes, creative writing. So please open your book to page 23. Very good. Well done. Now, look at the board as well, please. Can you see this board? Good. Now, we have a little sentence here, and we're going to try and see what the words are. Let's see together, shall we? One. Good. One. Excellent. One. Good. Day. Well done. The sun. Good. Was good. And then देखो blank, यहाँ क्या रखेंगे, लिखेंगे? Now look, jumping क्या है? Jumping, कूदना, jumping. और ये अल्फाज क्या है? Shining, चमकना, shining, चमकना. Very good. So, एक दिन सूरज कूद रहा था या चमक रहा था? Very good. Shining. Very good. So what are you going to write there? What are you going to write here? Shining. Excellent. Now, let's read. A dog was a dog sleeping or reading? कुत्ता क्या कर रहा होगा? सो रहा होगा या पढ़ रहा होगा? Very good. Well done. He was sleeping. Great. And a hen was, hen क्या कर रहा था? पी रहा था या खा रहा था? Eating or drinking? Tell me. Very good. He was eating. Good. अब वो क्या खाते हैं? बाजरा या दाने, grains. दानों को क्या कहते हैं? दाल हुई या बाजरा हुआ तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? Grains. Good. Right. A cat was coming or writing? Cat आ रही थी या लिख रही थी? आपको क्या लगता है? The cat was coming or writing? Very good. The cat was coming. Good. अब क्या होगा? What do you think is going to happen? Let's see. The hen saw the cat. The hen saw the cat and screamed. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. ऐसे आवाजें निकालने लगी. Help! Help! Oh dear. The bad or good dog? कुत्ता जो था वो अच्छा था, फ्रेंडली था या बुरा था? Good dog. Guess. Why was he good? Very good. He was good because he helped the hen and saved her from the cat. Well done. That's brilliant. So, just tell me the bad or good dog. Tell me. The good dog helped the hen and saved her from the cat. Very good. So, this is what you have to do. You're going to look at the video again and again. If you're not sure, look and find out what happened. Jumping, kudna, shining, chamakna, sleeping, sona, reading, padna, drinking, peena, eating, khana, coming, ana, writing, likhna. So, and good and bad aapko pata hai. So, what you have to do, boys and girls, is write those words in these blanks. Take a screenshot, send it to your teacher. Okay? All right. Allah Hafiz.